Good morning, class. Today we are going to do some writing tasks. First of all, please refer to your student book page 39. Student book page 39. This is a text about the Philippine eagle. The Philippine eagle. Okay, this is the Philippine eagle. Right. Let's read the text now. What is it? The Philippine eagle lives in the forest of the Philippines. Adult birds can be 1 meter long and can weigh 8 kilos. It's one of the biggest birds in the world. So the Philippine eagle is one of the biggest birds in the world. It eats snakes and small animals such as bats, rats, and small monkeys. So let's look at this picture. Okay, so you can see the size of this Philippine eagle. It is quite big. That's why in this text it says that it's one of the biggest birds in the world. What's the problem? The Philippine eagle is now in danger and it's very rare. Rare here means it cannot be seen very often now. Okay, so means that in the last time, in very long time ago, it can be seen everywhere in Philippines, but now it's very rare. Okay, the biggest problem is human activity like farming. Okay, so means that the farming activities has caused the Philippine eagle to be in danger and becomes very rare now. How can we help? You can find information on the website of the Philippine Eagle Foundation. The website explains how we can help to protect it. For example, it's possible to adopt an eagle. What does adopt mean? What does adopt mean? According to the dictionary, adopt means legally take another's child and bring it up as one's own. Okay, legally take another's child and bring it up as one's own. So, for example, there are many people eager to adopt a baby. Okay, so means that maybe some of the people outside there they cannot have baby on their own, so they try to adopt a baby. Okay, adopt. All right, so this is mean by adopt here, right? So for example, it's possible to adopt an eagle, means that the people, okay, the Philippine people, if they want to have this Philippine eagle, okay, they don't have to buy the eagle actually, but they can adopt one. Okay, they can adopt one. Okay, look at the first exercise here. Check the meaning of the words in the box. So there are 4 words here. Okay, so check the meaning of the words in the box. Right. The first word here is farming. Okay, farming in Chinese is 农业活动. Okay, activity pertanian. Okay, pollution. Pollution is 污染. Okay, pencemaran. The third word is hunting. Hunting, 打猎活动, activity pemburuan. Fishing, okay, fishing, 钓鱼的活动. Okay. Now, which of these do you think is a problem for the Philippine eagle? Which of these do you think is a problem for the Philippine eagle? Read the information leaflet and check. Okay, so just now we have read the text about the Philippine eagle. So which of these is a problem for the Philippine eagle? Yes, it's farming. So we can see the answer from this. What's the problem? The biggest problem is human activity like farming. So here we can see the answer for exercise number 1. Okay, Now let's go to exercise 2. Read the text again. Why is the Philippine eagle special? What kinds of animals does it eat? So here we have two questions. So let's look at the first one. Why is the Philippine eagle special? Why? So from the text we can see here from this part, from the first part here we can see why it is special. Okay, so now look at this one. It's one of the biggest birds in the world. This make it special. It's one of the biggest birds in the world. Okay, so another one which make it special is, okay, the Philippine eagle is now in danger and is very rare. So when it has become very rare, we cannot see it very often. Okay, it becomes very special to us now. Next, what kinds of animals does it eat? So the Philippine eagles eat what? Which animal does it eat? Okay, so we can see the answer here. It eats snakes and small animals such as bats, rats, and small monkeys. Okay, so how do we write the answers for this question? Okay, now we can write like this. We just copy this. The first one here is one of the biggest birds in the world. We copied it here. Okay, we change it to become the Philippine eagle. So the Philippine eagle is one of the biggest birds in the world. Okay, and then we copy this one also. It is now in danger and very rare. Okay, and then we answer this question. What kinds of animals does it eat? It eats snakes and small animals such as bats, rats, and small monkeys. Okay. Let's go to exercise 3. Complete the key phrases with words from the text. Okay, so let's complete these key phrases with words from the text. The first one here, they can wait or grow to or be what? Okay, from the text here, we can see this. Okay, adult birds can be 1 meter long and can weigh 8 kilos. Okay, so we just copy this. All right. Okay, they can be 1 meter long and can weigh 8 kilos. Okay, so they can weigh, they can be, so we just cancel out weight and grow to, we use the word be. They can be 1 meter long and can weigh 8 kilos. Okay, so now number 2, it's one of the, it's one of the, so from the text here, it's one of the biggest birds in the world. Okay, so just copy it down here. Okay, now number 3, the what is now in danger. So what animal is it? The what? The animal is now in danger. Okay, so here the Philippine eagle is now in danger. This one, the Philippine eagle is now in danger. Okay, number 4, you can find information from, okay, where you can find information on the website of the Philippine Eagle Foundation. Okay, so we just answer it shortly on the website. Okay, now let's move to workbook page 33. Okay, we will do exercise 3 on this page. Read the notes, then complete the text. Okay, so here are the notes. You are going to read these notes and then according to the notes complete the following text here. Okay, so let's read the notes first. What are servos? They are African wild cats. Okay, where do they live? Countries like South Africa or Tanzania. How big are they? 1 meter long, taller than most cats. How heavy are they? 18 kilos. How fast can they run? 80 kilometers an hour. What do servos eat? Rats, frogs, snakes. They can jump and kill birds too. Are servos in danger? Yes, in some places there are only small numbers of servos. What are the problems? Okay, the big problem that the servos face is hunting. Okay, the human activity like hunting. Okay, now let's complete the text here. Servos are African wildcats. They live in different countries in Africa, such as what and what. Okay, so here it talks about where do they live. Okay, so they live in different countries in Africa, such as, okay, from the text we can see, okay, we can look for the answers here. Countries like South Africa or Tanzania. So we just copy the name of the country, okay, South Africa and Tanzania. Okay, they live in different countries in Africa such as South Africa and Tanzania. Size. Servos can be what long? They have long legs and they are one of the what animals in the cat family. So we can look for the answer from here. Okay, how big are they? 1 meter long, taller than most cats. Okay, so 1 meter long here. Servos can be 1 meter long. Okay, they have long legs and they are one of the what animals in the cat family. So here, okay, servos are taller than most cats. Okay, they are taller than most of the cats in the world. So they are one of the tallest animals in the cat family. Okay, some servos can weigh to how many kilos? Yeah, they can weigh to 18 kilos. Okay, they can weigh 18 kilos. Okay, servos are fast animals. They can run at, so where is the answer? Okay, we can look for the answer here. How fast they can run. Okay, next. Servos eat animals like rats and other small creatures. Small creatures means small animals, okay? Small creatures such as what and what? Okay, we can look for the answer here. What are the small animals other than rats? Okay, there are frogs, there are snakes here. Okay, next, they what? Up to 3 meters. And what birds too? Okay, so we can look for the answer here. They can jump and kill birds. Okay, they can jump up to 3 meters and what birds too? Okay, problems. In some parts of Africa, there are now what? Of servos and they are in danger. The biggest problem is human activity like what? Okay, so in some parts of Africa, there are now, in some part of the Africa, in some places here, there are now what of servos and they are in danger. In danger here means there are very small amount in number now. Okay, so smaller numbers. Okay, so here is the answer. Okay, the biggest problem is human activity like, the biggest problem is human activity like, okay, so class, please complete number 6 to 12, okay, and then hand in to me through Google Classroom. Thank you class, good day, and see you again next time.